Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1966 Ford Mustang. This is a factory A-Code GT car. Beautiful car, guys. It's a 3-year-old frame-up restoration. We bought it locally. The gentleman we bought it from, he's owned this car for 39 years. Bought the car out of Oklahoma. Matter of fact, I've got a copy of the original title that when he bought the car in 1984. You can see it's finished in a charcoal gray metallic. It's got the black vinyl top. It's got beautiful black pony interior, 289 automatic, and just a great car. The bottom of the car is nice. You can see it's got the factory style wheels. Really just a nicely done car. It's got the fog lights. Again, it is a factory A-Code. Chrome and stainless is very nice on the car. He just got the car done 3 years ago. Top's in great shape. A little bit of pitting there in that chrome there. This is a nice car. It's got pretty paint. It's really detailed up nice underneath the hood. See, the car's nice and straight down the sides. It's got Michelins all the way around. It's kind of the one thing I thought a set of red lines would, I thought, just be slick on this car. It's got the GT Trumpet rear valance. Yeah, there we go. Just a great car. If you're looking for a nice Mustang, guys, this car is nice. Look how nice the wheels are. Front disc brakes. Of course, that's part of the GT equipment. 289, 4-barrel. It's got an Edelbrock intake in it. MSD Pro Billet distributor. Stock exhaust manifolds. How nice this car is detailed up underneath here. C4 automatic trans. There's your original buck tag. Jay said this is actually supposed to be the numbers matching motor for the car. Of course, these are hard to identify, guys. They didn't put VINs on the blocks, but they put the little tags. Yeah. Really just a pretty car, guys. There's your door tag. Love the interior of this car. These are TMI seats. course, it's got the pony interior in it, but that's a real plush seat, kind of like a sports seat. Wood steering wheel. It's got the rally pack gauges. The clock in there does work. Those seats are really nice. Remote driver's mirror. Now, guys, it's showing 55,000. Now, he said that, you know, while that is the original miles on the body, he said he drove it for some time where the speedo was broke before he restored it. So there's going to be slightly more miles on it. Real honest guy, just a straight guy. Spare, there's an amp for the radio. Just a good, solid Mustang, guys. Car's nice and clean underneath. Flowmaster dual exhaust. It's got the stock 3.0 rear end. It's just a good car. Sorry guys, got a little ahead of myself. Get out of rhythm with my camera here. Those seats are gorgeous. Works, clock works, all your gauges in there are working. Backup lights work. Radio works, blower motor works. Yeah, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. That is a pretty car. Have a great day, guys.